Baby, wait, I know that you're afraid, but it'll be okay if you just stay with me. And we can run from here and we can disappear and they won't find us where we are going, dear. So baby, hold on to me, 'cause I know I can make you believe in something that only we can see. Oh, so baby, hold on to me, hold on to me.
Hi guys, so today I'm having some roasted breadfruit with cauliflower, shrimp, and a little franks, and it's extremely spicy because I had one entire scotch bonnet in it, and I'm just having this for my meal, first meal for the day, and watching Grey, and yes, I'm in Clarinon. Guys, I eat the shrimp and the breadfruit. I mean, I tell you, my mother on fire. I used one entire scotch bonnet, and the scotch bonnet was this big. It's killing me. My lip, fire. See Ara over there. So Ara, how is the lip?
7 years old.
Oh my God! So because of that, we have to have like water at the same time.
I know.
Oh yeah, what did the Ara?
I'm the only kid in my class who's had a stroke.
Frankie's pre-admitted
My
to
God.
his
Tastes good though, right?
anti-surgery.
Just hot.
That means my blood is like cooling.
Hi guys, hey, welcome, what's up, welcome back to the channel. How you guys doing? My hair looks so bad, right? I was at home, and well, home again, Clarendon home, and I was like, my hair looked too bad. Me, I gotta go and run to the hairdresser in Kelly's. Not the normal hairdresser that I go to when I am processing my hair, creamy hair, but my hairdresser is in Linstead, and this one might be a little bit cheaper right now, because this one I cream my hair from natural to cream. I couldn't believe that it cost so much. My pass the station, you know, Erica, it cost so much to cream my hair. Like, I could not believe it. Oh my God. If my mother ever hear me jumping at the hole there, hey, they're up your body now. Me have to go cut out the body because me can't afford for my mother. I watch it up like that. Like, what? Up your body. Listen to me. Listen, guys. Me have to focus on the road. Me jumping at the hole. Good jumping at the hole. You know, so up your bad. The road. Everywhere Jamaica, let me tell you. The government here, this road here, Jamaica road. I'll talk about it in the next clip or so. May I go up on the town? Alright guys, so I got my hair done. This is how it looks. I look much better. I don't I'm sweaty though because the day is so hot. Like today is so hot. I was in the hairdresser and I was like under my mask, and then again I was the only one under my mask in the hairdresser. That's another story. Like up here, people, they don't wear masks. So me have to protect myself from, you know, whatever is out there. Because if I go in the other side, nobody have on me have on the mask, well, so be it. I'll be the only one looking foolish, right? Because it seems like it's not something that is occurring up this side. So I'm on my way home, and when I get home, I'll let you guys know what's up. I'm so hot. I came to the market with my mother, and let me tell you, it's from yesterday I talked about in the vlog, because that was yesterday. People up here, they don't wear masks. I'm going to try and show you. Like in the market, you can count on one hand, or probably my two hand them, or my people up here have a mask, okay? Trust and believe. If COVID ever break out up here, a problem.
No. Than is that
how much figure it, mommy? Imam?
Fucking out of I think argument. You can't switch out this stuff.
Yes, mommy getting yam. What's a pound for yam?
150.
Oh, 150 account, and this is yellow yam. So she's choosing what she wants and give it to the lady so that you know she can weigh and buy what she wants. So yeah. Mom is also getting cabbage. Wholesale price $8. So them one over there, so here the better looking one over there, so. Eh? So them look like worm eat them up, so. You man? Worm eat them up. Carrot, no. Hey guys, so hey, what's up? I'm just here adding on to the vlog that you guys well, to the clips that you guys saw when I was in Clarendon. I'm currently at work today and I don't know why I'm even bother cream my hair, because not cream my hair but like let go my hair, curl it up to come out, because by me take taxi from Money come St. Mary, I mean all of them just blow out. But I'm walking from down the bottom to go up by the top, and I tell you, like, everything just blow right out, gone. I don't know where they gone, but they just gone. So I walk from down at the bottom, go by the top, because the bottom school and top school began like a school. So yeah. So like I said, I find Miss Jackson that I don't know, my other little teacher friend to do up the register for me. Oh God. Do up the register for me, and I'm going to deliver the numbers book, because here at school you have to put in like the number of students that are present for the morning session, the afternoon session, in a book that is provided by the school. So it's called the Marks book. But yeah, they look good this morning, but no, I don't know what's going on. Alright, so from the back, who this? Good morning, miss. How are you? You don't have to worry about that, because what? I am in mine.
Why are you vlogging?
Hi, miss. Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you?
I'm fine. Yeah, vlog me, but call when I am.
So awa.
The beast.
Hey, awa.
What?
Hey, come further. Bigger than dirty save me now. Don't be nice. Just be generous.
Shells are over.
Do the ready stuff. I just couple days did they miss. How are you for your breakfast this morning?
Rice and chicken.
It's too early to eat rice so early.
What?
It was too early to eat rice in the morning.
You are supposed to eat rice as early as you possibly
No.
can.
Did you drink tea before you eat the rice?
Every day.
Okay, do the rest of them. Maybe deliver the book can come. So guys, I am home from work. I'm to the hot bed. Today is like the first day of summer. So I know today gonna be the longest day. Yep. The longest day, and well, I know I am looking about some ackee saltfish, and yes, I'm gonna eat some rice and peas with that for dinner. I'm not gonna have too much, so ackee almost finished boiled. Just put on the saltfish. I'm gonna show one of that. So this is the ackee here, almost finished boil, and then we have the saltfish. Just put it on the fire and start boil up it. So that's a gone, power to gone. So in the meantime, I am going to, I have some makeup brushes to put to soak. I totally forgot about that, because if I did remember when I got home, that would have been the first thing that I would have done. So I have that to go do. waiting on this. I'm the one cooking today, so I'm waiting on this to finish boil. Take a shower, hot up the rice, and then just have dinner. But I'm gonna keep the vlog floating till then because I really want to end out the video here because I really don't have much clips. Them I really have I really don't have a lot of clips to make this vlog really long. Yeah, but we can show you what babes I do too because like listen, before me even show you babes I do what you think Odane is doing. Comment before I show you. Comment what you think Odane is doing. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. What I think Odane I do. Remember prove on the wrong. Alright. Mr. Odane I do? Has him come home from work? This is what he has been doing. So for those who comment say Odane play FIFA, that is what he might do. What you have to say for yourself? What do you have to say for yourself?
Well, I will definitely call me on score, you know.
What do you have to say for yourself? Yes, for all who comment say Odane that play FIFA, that if you no did comment because you not comment. Yeah, you may attack you. Yeah. So today I'm gonna end out the video, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to check out my videos that are already posted on my channel if you are new. If you are oldie and you're not go through all of the video them, why are we pan? Just scroll. Watch everything. Make sure to play the ads them. Yeah. Because of that, what up I know. For subscribe. The old trend for YouTube the old trend for YouTube is like, share, comment, subscribe. But you see when you're monetized, the trend is watch the ads, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Yeah, yes you. So you need to go follow that trend. Sorry guys, so this is where I'm gonna end the video for today. And I'll see you guys in another vlog. Bye.